morning. Happy customer service week. We adore you, all our customers, all our esteemed customers. So I'm going to be putting a call through to few of our customers today. So you may get a call from us today. Hello, good morning. I can't hear you. Can you hear me, sir? Good morning, sir. So I just called to say thank you so much for trusting us with your beautiful apartment. Thank you for your patronage. Really appreciate you for your referrals as well.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Actually, I need to commend your effort because I want to tell you this because I've not told you before. Somebody came to my house and said he's not sure that I live here. I said, why? He said, my house looks like the size apartment, the way everything is broken up. I said,
Wow.
never mind. The person who does it is an expert. And I was able to give that person your contact. I believe that person will call you very soon.
Thank you. Wow.
So I need to tell you that you are doing a good job and continue with it. And you are also a trusted person because I remember when you wanted to work on my apartment, I had to give you the key and leave.
Yes.
Which I cannot do to others. So
yes.
I have the confidence in your company that whenever I leave my property with you, it will be well done, nothing will be missing and all that. And that is a good recommendation for a company like yours. So I'm saying keep up the good work.
Thank you.
I will keep referring, I will keep referring because your job is very commendable.
Thank you so much. God bless you, sir. Have a wonderful day.
I need to.
Bye, sir.